Ever wondered if you should be doing 10 push-ups a day, 100, or maybe none at all? Most people either do so few they barely see results, or they push themselves to exhaustion, chasing numbers that don't actually work. The truth? You don't need hundreds of push-ups a day to get stronger. You just need the right number, done the right way. In the next few minutes, we'll cover how push-ups really build muscle, the exact daily rep range for your strength level, and why perfect form and recovery matter more than your total count. Let's cut through the confusion and start getting real results. Every time you press your body off the floor, you're firing up your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. This creates tiny tears in your muscle fibers, and that's a good thing. Your body repairs those microtears through muscle hypertrophy, meaning your muscles grow back stronger and a little bigger each time. If you're consistent, push-ups don't just burn calories, they build muscle mass, but only if you're doing the right amount for you. Step 1, find your max. How many push-ups can you do in a row with perfect form? Once you know your number, here's your guide. Less than 25 clean reps, go to 50 to 75 total daily, 2 to 3 sets. 25 to 50 clean reps, go to 75 to 150 daily, 3 to 4 sets. 50 plus clean reps, go to 150 to 250 daily, 4 plus sets. The key? Progress every week. Add 5 to 10 total reps or shorten your rest time. That's progressive overload, the only way to keep improving. You can do 100 sloppy push-ups and get nowhere, or 10 perfect ones and actually grow. Here's your form checklist. Engage your core, keep it tight. Keep your body in a straight line. Hands just outside your shoulders, elbows at 45 degrees. Once regular push-ups feel easy, mix it up. Decline push-ups, feet on a bench for your upper chest. Diamond push-ups, close grip for your triceps. Plyometric push-ups, explosive for power and fast twitch fibers. These keep your muscles guessing and help you break through plateaus. Muscles don't grow while you train. They grow when you rest. Overtraining can stall your progress, so give your muscles 48 to 72 hours after hard sessions. Alternate heavy and light push-up days, or stick to 3 to 4 workouts per week. On rest days, walk, stretch, work on mobility. Recovery isn't laziness, it's what makes your hard work stick. So, how many push-ups should you do? Enough to challenge yourself, done with clean, controlled form, increased gradually over time, and supported by proper rest. Don't just chase big numbers, chase better reps, smarter training, and steady progress. That's how you build real, lasting strength.